A past paper question from Edexcel IAL T2 paper code WMA12-01. Given that in a particular geometric series, the sum of the first three terms is 70.2. The sum to infinity is 75. Find for this series the common ratio and the first term. Now focus on the data which is given to us. The sum to first three terms, S3 is 70.2, and the sum to infinity, S infinity is equal to 75. Now what is to be determined? We have to determine the common ratio R and the first term A of the geometric sequence. To find out these values, use the formula to calculate the sum to n terms of the geometric series, which is Sn is equal to A1 minus Rn by 1 minus R. In the formula, S3 is equal to A into 1 minus R3 divided by 1 minus R. S3 is 70.2. 70.2 is equal to A by 1 minus R into 1 minus R cube. Label it as equation number 1. Now, sum to infinity. The formula to calculate sum to infinity is S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. S infinity is 75. 75 is equal to A by 1 minus R. Label it as equation number 2. Now put this result in equation number 1, which gives 70.2 is equal to 75 into 1 minus R cube, which gives 1 minus R cube is equal to 0.936 and R cube is equal to 0.064. It will give R is equal to 0.4. This is the common ratio of the geometric series. Now we have to determine the first term A. To calculate A, put the value of R in equation number 2, which gives A by 1 minus 0.4 is equal to 75. A is equal to 75 into 0.6, which is equal to 45. A is equal to 45. This is the first term of the geometric series. So the value of R is 0.4 and A is equal to 45, which completes the question.